All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking updates on the Stubby impacts. Now, as you can see, I've been using these. In fact, these are my go-to tools now. Other than the 1/2-inch Millwaukee and the ratchets, these are what I go to. I don't use the 3/8 mid-torque. I don't use my M18 3/8. I use the Stubbies. My go-to tools. In fact, it's spreading. Josh and Christian already have their 3/8 Stubbies. They love them. Bam Bam's waiting for his. Should have it Tuesday, which is a big deal because he's a snap-on guy. And unfortunately for him, his 3/8 snap-on is dying again. Imagine that. So he's got a 3/8 Stubby on order. Should be here Tuesday. But yes, these have become my go-to. Caliper brackets, brakes, underhood, suspension, you name it, I've been rocking these. Now, a couple things I have noticed. Now, if you're looking to do the 1/4 inch, honestly, compared to the old fuel 1/4 inch, I don't see enough difference to justify, if you already have the 1/4 inch, to upgrade. I obviously have the old 1/4 inch and the new 1/4 inch. And while it's very nice, additional settings, slightly smaller size, don't justify it. So if you've already got the 1/4 inch, probably not a bad idea to just go ahead and skip it. But definitely the 1/2 inch and 3/8 are well worth the money. Love them, love them, love them. Now, one thing I didn't talk about in my first video on them is position 3. Now, position 3 is basically going to run it down and stop. What that allows you to do is torque it with a torque wrench or something like that. Now, that is a handy feature if you are doing critical fasteners like head bolts and you just want to run them down till they contact. Handy feature. Critical fasteners makes it so you can run them down, snug them up, which isn't very snug, by the way, and then torque them down to spec. So, handy little upgrade on that. Otherwise, they just work. Taking engine mount bolts out with them, I will tell you, they just work. These have quickly become some of my favorite tools. If you haven't gotten any, why the heck not? Because these are so worth the money. If you're already invested in Millwaukee, these should be on your buy list. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Let me know why in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.